Hello, my name is Justin, and I'm the Vice President for our club, Rockin' Rocketeers. Today I'm going to be showing you a software that we use called Open Rocket. So in Open Rocket, it lets you create a rocket, as you can see here. It lets you create a rocket, and it also lets you simulate a flight the with your rocket. So we use this a lot in the beginning of the year when we're starting off the TARC competition. So we first read the TARC rules, which basically shows what our rocket needs to do, and we build a rocket on this software accordingly. So here I loaded up a example of a rocket, and I'm going to show you that each individual one of these parts, you can change its characteristics, like its shape, its length, its material, even have paint on it. Or you can also like find one that's pre-made that like you can find online. The same can go with all of these parts. Every single one of these parts can have a tab like this that opens up that it lets you edit its shape and stuff like that. Like for the body tube, the fins, add more fins, remove more fins, uh, different tubes, rings, shock cord, parachute, etc., etc. All of that so that you can create a rocket that, well, you can use in the TAR competition. So like I said, we're using this software to create a sort of blueprint that we can start off, so like get a general idea of what to start building. We buy out the parts and then we create the rocket with Open Rocket at being the blueprint. And in real life, it's gonna look something like this, like all cardboard, wood, etc., like that. And then we're actually gonna use this and fly, or we're gonna use a real rocket and then fly it in real life, get data from that, and then compare it back to the simulation. Because the simulation, not all simulations are like accurate. Because as you can see here, if we choose a new simulation, this is this is all the parameters that you're gonna get for like outside conditions. But we know like outside's constantly changing, so we can't really like rely on like keeping it the same because it's not always going to be that graph or that flight every single day. I wish it was, but that's not how it works. So we use this as like our guiding platform where to start off. We can change different parts of it, but most importantly, don't forget to save your rocket. I had a lot of teams not doing that, and yeah, okay. You can also add different parts, add more parachutes, basic build your own rocket. You can have fun with it. But yeah, that's your vice president of the Rocketry Club signing off.